Hi again, it's Douglas Lucky Larson on the Retire Early and Often channel, and today we're looking at crypto. I like it. I believe in it as a speculation for some, a store of wealth for others, a stealth money transfer for others, and a stick it to the man option for others. Transaction in crypto as a currency? Well, it's kind of slow and energy intensive. Still, Nothing, nothing is like it that we've ever seen. And whatever amazing thing is able to build on this and make it better and more secure and more user friendly and more private and less energy intensive will probably rule the world. It will be truly worldwide, universally transformational instead of just fringe transformational right now. Now, I'm excited that it's happening in my lifetime. I also think that there will be many people who believe that crypto is something else and will get burned because they don't have diamond hands and laser eyes and long-term hodl ability, or they won't be able to transition when things change. And guess what? Things always change. Some great investors I know recommend a little bit of speculation in every portfolio, say 5 to 10%. And I think crypto should be a part of that because of the potential upside. It's almost infinite. Now, you can learn more about that from great minds like George Gammon and another brilliant guy, Brent Johnson. These guys are not Bitcoin billionaires or total fanboys with a vested interest like, say, Michael Saylor, but I think their opinions and insights go a little bit deeper than just a bunch of 20-somethings on Reddit rolling the dice with a crypto casino mindset and wanting to, find the next Doge or Shiba. Now, I listen to other great minds as well, like Warren Buffett, who's only the greatest long-term investor of all time, and then there's Peter Schiff, who has predicted about 19 of the last 3 actual recessions because he's a perma-bear. And these boomers do not see any intrinsic value in Bitcoin or any other cryptos. As I said, I love the idea of crypto and what I hope it will do in the future, but putting everything you own into Bitcoin or Ethereum or Ripple or a doggy coin, that's a little too risky. Unless, of course, you have been living in Lebanon over the last year and hyperinflation made your local currency worthless. But any money that you had put into crypto would have been easily transferred wherever you wanted to go, and it's also gone up in value against every other currency on the planet. Now, will that continue? I have no idea, because in the end, all currencies are a confidence game, a con game. Think about that. Now, whether it's a little green piece of paper that has a president's face on it or digits on your screen, a currency is only as valuable as people believe it is. Even physical gold and silver. I got some nice pictures here. What? Yeah, it wouldn't have much value on a deserted island if you were only there with a bunch of monkeys, and let's say they wouldn't even trade you for a coconut. Yeah. If you think about it, when the you-know-what actually hits the fan, and a lot of people think it's going to, would you trade your last loaf of bread for a little hunk of shiny metal? I don't know if I would. It's all based on confidence and supply and demand, and compared to what? Would you prefer to have some green pieces of paper compared to a chunk of golden metal? Would you prefer investing in doggy coins or maybe a little rental real estate house that pays you money every single month? Or maybe some of each. Now, I'm a Gen Xer, and I have seen firsthand the dot-com bubble and bust, and the big real estate bubble and bust. And it's now kind of an everything bubble. But the next bust? Who knows? This year, 5 years? Who knows? In most of my adult life, every time the economy begins to crack just a little bit in the USA, well, and Canada and Europe and Australia for that matter, anytime some little cracks begin to show, the government or Federal Reserve or a combination of the two seem to step in with bailouts and stimulus and tax credits and low interest rates and debt restructuring and maybe even loan forgiveness. Well, someday somebody has to pay for it all. It's all government intervention, and guess who pays for the government? Yeah, that'd be us. But for now, we do the best we can with what's in front of us, right? Now, I can't give you advice, but I own mostly cash flowing real estate, ordinary single family homes like these. And at the end of the day, most people want to live indoors still, right? And about half the people in the United States are paying rent every single month. And that makes landlords very wealthy over time. What's the easiest way to make $1 million? Well, they say borrow $1 million and have someone else pay it back, as in tenants paying off your mortgage. Now, actually, an easier way would have been to actually have bought Bitcoin about 5 years ago and cash out now. But if you didn't do that, real estate might just be the best long-term bet. And on the side, you could throw a little money at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or maybe even some doggy coins and see what happens. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you haven't done so already, give me a thumbs up. See you again soon.